We're in the heart of South Kensington with Guy, manager of our South Kensington office. Thanks for having me over, Guy.
Thanks, Mark.
This, in my opinion, is the perfect one-bedroom South Kensington flat. It's hall floor, it's got direct access to the most incredible gardens, which we'll show you at the end. And the space has been brand newly refurbished from top to bottom.
That's right.
It is absolutely pristine.
It is great. It's a wonderful, wonderful property.
So we're going to take a look inside, and it's really worth sticking around for this one because it is beautiful. And what a lovely location. Lead on, guys.
Let's go.
Thank you very much. So it's lovely that you've got direct access from this wonderful space,
Yeah,
straight out to the gardens.
it is great. It is really wonderful. It's beautiful gardens. Yeah, there's windows. For me, it's just, you know, lots of light.
They're incredible. They're absolutely enormous. This room's vast. It's
22 by 19.
22 by 19.
3.5 meter ceilings.
3.56 actually, I think. I've got the old laser tape measure out earlier. And the floor's lovely, solid wood. I mean, they really have done a beautiful job.
Incredible.
On a beautiful, beautiful space. So it's kind of open plan without being open plan. And I really like that. The kitchen works really well, I think.
It's really good, yes. So they've kept it kind of open but closed, as you said, which is really nice.
So that works really well for the dining area. Really nicely kitted out, and a lovely space. What a cool apartment
Really
this is.
lovely.
I very happily live here.
Yeah.
I'll probably be getting kicked out of the house before long anyway, so maybe I'll keep this one on my list. So just through here is the shower room. It's lovely, isn't it?
It is really nice.
Everything is
Tiled,
brand
great.
spanking new.
It is.
That's utility cupboard,
Utility cupboard with your boiler.
which is great. That's the front door to the apartment.
That's right.
And just through here,
It's something special. A wonderful bedroom. Come have a look.
It really is, isn't
Yeah.
it? The sense of space in this apartment is amazing. It's really enhanced by these wonderful ceilings.
It is. Big windows, lots of light that comes through here. I think, you know, for central properties, this is really spacious and got ample storage space as well.
It's great having the built-in wardrobes because you know you move into a flat. It's like, where do I want to stick the wardrobes? They're built in, out of the way, and just, you know, sleek lines.
Yeah.
But it's incredible, the sense of space that ceilings this height add to an apartment. It's absolutely beautiful.
It is wonderful.
Honestly, absolutely beautiful. And I hope we're capturing this in the video, because if you're in this price range for a pied à terre or just a really super cool apartment in South Kensington, then I can't imagine anything better in the price range. And this has just hit the market, hasn't it?
Yeah, this has recently come to the market at 1,150,000.
So I think if you're in this price range, you're probably going to need to be fairly quick. I think we'll finish in the garden, if that's okay with
right.
you, Guy, because I think that, is that better than the living room? I don't know. Are we finishing with the best bit?
We can let the viewers decide.
Oh, we can. We can. That's a very good way of putting it. You've done this before. We'll let the viewers decide. I might use that one.
There we go.
Very good. Right, shoes back on, and straight out to the garden. And one last second to appreciate this incredible space. Honestly, what
Wonderful.
a spot. I do know this area very well. I used to work on the Cromwell Road, which is immediately here. I used to live on the Cromwell Road. My boss used to live in one of the magnificent houses in Courtfield Garden. I don't know how much that would be worth now. So this is a patio area. I don't think it's demised, is it? But
it's not demised, but
nobody else is going to use it.
Yeah.
And then Da-da, lead on. So I'm going to say there's a bit of scaffolding up at the moment. Obviously this isn't a permanent feature, but there's only access to these gardens by permission of the Residents Association, I think.
That's right.
And it's only a very select handful of flats that have access out here.
Yeah.
What a space. There was
great.
somebody out here walking their cat on a lead earlier on. So lots of cats prowling around, but a very, very, very nice space. So just tell us where we are again. South Kensington, obviously.
Yeah, so we're moments away from Gloucester Road Station.
Gloucester Road is just that way, where
Just
your
the thing.
fabulous office is.
That is right.
You've got a lovely, lovely team headed
Yeah,
up by the
thank you.
wonderful Bella.
Yeah.
These buildings, maybe we can have a look round, Tony. I know we were trying to conceal the scaffolding, but they are magnificent London red brick buildings.
Yeah.
Cromwell Road just here, as you say.
Cromwell Road, not too far. South Kensington Station.
Yeah,
The Natural History Museum is a
the
stone
most
throws
incredible
away.
building.
It is wonderful.
And you've got Earl's Court literally on your doorstep as well.
That's
So
right.
Earl's Court tubes, what,
Yeah.
5-minute walk or
That's right.
something like that. So you really are right in the heart of London.
Yeah.
And just a great flat.
It is great.
It's
wonderful.
amazing.
Yeah.
What a great instruction.
Yeah,
Well
thank you
done
very
on
much.
that, guy.
Yeah.
Well, that's been an absolute pleasure. Thanks so much for having me up here
Yeah.
and showing me around. What a great job
Thank
you
you
did.
for
Give me
coming.
another fist pump.
There we go. Thank you.
Thank you very much for watching, and please, while you're here, if you are already subscribed to my YouTube channel, are you subscribed to my YouTube channel?
I am.
You didn't even know I had one, did you?
And,
No. But
I
do
will
you follow
subscribe.
me on Instagram?
I do follow you on
You
Instagram
don't, do
and
you?
socials. It's great.
Oh, okay.
You are great.
So somebody in your office did a tour of this and had 56,000 views. So
They did.
we are going to smash those figures right out the window, I think,
I
because
like a good
you
competition.
absolutely played that perfectly. And please, if you're not subscribed, do subscribe. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because you're going to watch this,
I will.
obviously. And give us a thumbs up, leave a comment. I think Guy did a fabulous job. He hasn't really done many of these before.
No.
You really nailed it, Guy. Well
Thank
done.
you. I appreciate it.
And see you next time.